Hey, it's Central Valley Business. I'm your host, Steve Walling. My guest for this segment is Luis Chavez with Chavez Web Design. And you know, in today's world, if you got a business and you're not getting your stuff out there on the web, you're losing customers. Luis, welcome to the show.
Nice to meet you, Steve.
Nice to meet you. We're going to talk specifically about Google, advertising with Google, but it's a new concept or something new that Google's come out with. Again, you know, Google Ads have been out for a long time, but they came out with this. What's this called now?
It's called Google Service Ads.
Google Service Ads, and it's a great new tool for businessmen, particularly like small businessmen and stuff like that, right? Or, you know, even large companies. But, okay, you've been working in web design, you said, since 2008, so you got a couple weeks under your belt, a little bit of experience, but you're really excited about this. Tell me why.
That's right. Well, first I'd like to introduce myself.
Okay.
So my name is Luis Chavez.
Right.
And I've been doing this since 2008, and we currently help over 500 businesses with their website and online marketing.
Uh-huh.
And we're also a Google partner. What
Are
that
you really?
means is that we have a special relationship with Google.
Okay.
So we had to pass a series of exams and have above average performance in the industry to be able to do what we do.
Okay.
And I'm super excited about this new program that's called Google Service Ads.
Google Service Ads.
That's right, because it's very different from your traditional type of online marketing.
Okay. How's it different?
So traditionally, you would pay Google to be on the first page for certain keywords, right? And so if you were to, as a consumer, click on an ad from Google, the business owner would have to pay for that click.
Okay.
And so this program, which is Google Service Ads, is very different because instead of somebody clicking on the ad, it's actually pay per lead. So if, let's say, I'm a consumer and let's say you're a plumber, I click on your ad and I make a phone call to your business and it's a real lead, then that's the only time that you pay.
That's the only time. Okay.
Yeah.
So, you know, for all the people that are just clicking on it, I'm not charged for that.
That's
only
right.
those that turn into leads. That's got to be, you know, that's got to be big for.
It's huge.
Yeah. I can see why you're excited about
some
that.
people in my industry, they're calling it the holy grail of online marketing because it's something that's really never been done before.
Right.
And there's 6 major reasons of why, if you're a business owner, you should really look into this. Number 1, like I said before, you don't pay for the click, you pay for the lead.
Right.
Number 2, you only pay for valid leads because Google actually can record the call to see if it's a valid lead.
Awesome.
Number 3, you become a Google guaranteed service provider. What that means is if I'm a consumer and let's say you go to my house and you do some sort of job on my house, but I'm not happy, something goes wrong, Google will guarantee up to $2,000 to make sure that the job is done correctly by you.
Wow.
That's right.
I mean, that's like backup insurance. And I'm not paying for that as the business that's doing this. Google's providing that for me.
Google's vouching for you, saying, you know what, we've researched this company and we strongly believe that they're going to do an amazing job. We're going to put a guarantee of $2,000 for this business. And that's reason number 3.
That's awesome.
So it gets even better.
Uh-oh.
Right?
Hang on to your hat. What is it?
So because Google guaranteed, if you become a Google guaranteed service provider on this program, you're given priority on the search results. Because normally you got your paid ads, and you got your local ads, and then you have your organic ads.
Right.
Well, with Google Service Guaranteed, you're given priority at the very top of the search engines.
And that's where you want to be.
And that's very key because, especially now, a lot of people are doing voice searches.
Okay,
right?
Through
Alexa, through their phone. People over time just seem to want to get lazier and lazier and lazier. And so now they don't even want to type anything. They just want to do a voice search.
Right.
So coming up at the top during a voice search, that's going to be super key. And then the last 2 reasons, you only get the lead. So like, let's say something like Yelp or Angie's List or stuff like that. Sometimes if you get a lead through Angie's List,
it could be shared.
It could be shared with maybe 5 other providers.
Right.
You as the business owner, you would only get that lead and nobody else.
Okay, hold on right there, Luis. That means that it would probably behoove me as a business person to get in early. All right?
That's right.
Don't want to wait 6 months or 8 months, want to get in early because that kind of puts me at the front of the line, right?
This was initially introduced in larger cities like Chicago, New York, Los Angeles.
All right.
But recently it became available for business owners here in the Central Valley. And so that's something that if you're not on this program now,
Right.
you should get on it immediately. Not
Yeah.
everybody qualifies for this program.
gonna say, yeah.
Because Google has to do, number one, background checks on you and your employees. Number two, you have to provide valid insurances and licenses. And basically, you just have to be a really good business so that they could vouch for you and put you on that Google Guaranteed program for up to $2,000.
So here's the thing, and I'm thinking as we're talking here. If I happen to be a consumer and I see someone that is a Google provider in this program, that tells me there's a lot of benefit to me as a consumer.
That's right.
If you're watching, you're not a business person, but you're looking at maybe utilizing some of this stuff, that may be a key issue that you want to check out, before you make that click, which, again, that click's nothing's going to happen unless that lead becomes a real lead.
That's
for
right.
the business. And the business, if they come out and they do the work, Google's going to back it up to $2,000.
That's right.
There's just a lot of good stuff with
It
this.
is. That's why a lot
I
of
can
people
see why you're excited. Yeah.
And so we've seen amazing results with our existing clients. And if you're not sure whether or not you qualify, or
Right.
you have questions about the process, or if it's even available in your city or for your specific business, then we can definitely help you. We're Google partners. We've
Yeah.
helped over 500 businesses. And
But, Louise, it's not going to do me any good if I don't know how to get a hold of you. How do I get a hold of you?
you could call us at 559-553-5000, or you can go to our website, which is chavezwebdesign.com.
That's awesome. And I can get a web design in the process, too, if I want that, right?
That's right.
I mean, you guys do that, right?
Yeah, we have a small team. We have a couple graphic designers, web designers. We have a writer. We have an online marketer. We have a project manager. We have an offline marketer. So we have a team of people that are specialists in the industry. So whether you need a video, graphics, web design, SEO, Google marketing, you name it, anything online marketing, we can help you with that.
You can do that.
That's right.
Awesome. That's great. If you're a business, pay close attention. You just may want to get a hold of Luis at Chavez on the
ChavezWebDesign.com.
.com. That's great. This Google partner thing, I'm telling you, this is good. Thanks for being with us. I understand why you're excited about it. If I was a business, I'd be excited about getting a hold of you yesterday and not even waiting for today. This is great. And I'll see you when we come back.